It all began inside a small workshop. Then came World War II, and that dream was nearly wiped out. Factories bombed, money gone, hope shattered. But one man refused to give up. Through sleepless nights, relentless hard work, and an unshakable vision, he rose again. And that little dream became the most iconic car brand in the world. Ferrari. Racing car fire. In the 1920s, a young man named Enzo Ferrari didn't dream of selling cars. He only wanted to race. But he soon discovered his real gift wasn't just driving, it was building teams and machines that could win. That's how Scuderia Ferrari was born. A small racing team with no big factory, no fortune, just pure obsession with speed. World War II almost killed that dream. Ferrari's workshop was bombed, and financial ruin seemed certain. But after the war, Enzo came back stronger. In 1947, he introduced his first official Ferrari car, the 125S. It wasn't perfect, but it was a symbol of hope, resilience, and a new beginning. And soon, Ferraris started roaring on the racetrack. To the world, they weren't just cars anymore. They were victory on wheels. By the 1950s and 60s, Ferrari dominated Formula One. Each win built the legend higher. But Ferrari was never just about racing. It was about art, passion, and exclusivity. Every car was handcrafted like a masterpiece. Enzo once said, "I don't sell cars. I sell engines." The cars? They're free gifts around the engine. That bold vision turned Ferrari from a brand into a myth. The story of Ferrari teaches us this. Success doesn't come overnight. It comes through sacrifice, failure, and the courage to keep going when everything tries to stop you. So today, when you see that legendary prancing horse, remember, it's not just a car. It's the story of a man who turned speed into immortality.